Did you know? YouTube has over 2 billion logged in users each month. That's almost 1/3 of the internet. This platform is a gold mine for content creators, but to strike gold, you need to understand the lay of the land. That's where understanding YouTube's algorithms comes into play. It's like a map guiding you to the treasure. Imagine tapping into even a fraction of that user base. The potential is staggering. To reach this massive audience, we need to understand the art of keyword research. So, what is keyword research? In the simplest terms, it's the process of identifying popular words and phrases people enter into search engines. In our case, YouTube. It's like deciphering a secret language, the language of your potential viewers. Why is it so important? Well, by understanding and using this language, you can tailor your content to match what people are actively searching for. It's the difference between shouting into a void and having a one-on-one conversation with your viewer. Imagine you're a detective. Keyword research is your magnifying glass, helping you uncover the clues to what your audience wants to see. And when you know what they want, you can deliver it to them, boosting your visibility and ranking on YouTube. So, let's not underestimate the power of keywords. Mastering keyword research is like having a roadmap to success on YouTube. Step 1 in our journey is defining your niche. Now, you might be wondering, what's a niche? Well, a niche is essentially the specific area or topic that your content revolves around. It's like your content's home base, the playground where it hangs out. Having a clearly defined niche is crucial in the world of YouTube. Why, you ask? Well, for starters, it helps you stand out in the sea of content. Imagine YouTube as a bustling city. Without a specific address, it's going to be hard for anyone to find you. But with a well-defined niche, you're not just giving people an address, you're giving them a reason to visit and stay. Moreover, a niche makes keyword research a whole lot easier. Think about it this way. If you know the specific area you're operating in, you can narrow down the keywords that are relevant to you. It's like having a map for treasure hunting. The more precise the map, the closer you get to the treasure. Let's take a look at some examples of successful niches. One of them is fitness and wellness. Creators in this niche focus on a wide variety of topics, from workout routines to healthy recipes, and even mental health tips. Another popular niche is tech reviews. These creators focus on reviewing the latest gadgets and software, helping their viewers make informed decisions. Now, it's important to remember that your niche doesn't have to be something generic. It can be as specific as you want it to be. For instance, instead of just fitness, you could focus on home workouts for single parents. The more targeted your niche, the easier it will be to attract a dedicated audience. Also, keep in mind that your niche should be something you're genuinely passionate about. This is because creating content about something you love not only makes the process more enjoyable, but also more authentic. And believe me, authenticity is something that viewers can sense and appreciate. Remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it is to find your target audience. So, take a moment, think about what you love, what you're good at, and carve out your own unique space in the YouTube universe. Step 2 involves getting friendly with keyword tools. Now let's get acquainted with some of the most popular keyword tools out there. These are Google's Keyword Planner, Keywords Everywhere, and TubeBuddy. These tools are invaluable in your quest to find the right keywords for your YouTube content. Let's start with Google's Keyword Planner. This tool is a goldmine for keyword research. It gives you insights into how often certain words are searched and how those searches change over time. This way, you can identify trending keywords in your niche. Just type in a keyword related to your content, and it will show you other relevant keywords, their search volume, and competition. Next on our list is Keywords Everywhere. This browser extension shows you the keyword volume, cost per click, and competition data of keywords on multiple websites. This tool is fantastic because it allows you to see the data while you browse, making the research process much more efficient. Last but not least, we have TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube-certified tool that helps you find high-performing, searchable video topics and craft the perfect titles and tags. It also allows you to spy on your competitors, providing you with valuable insights about what keywords they are using. To use these tools for YouTube keyword research, start by brainstorming a list of potential keywords. Then, input these keywords into Google's Keyword Planner to find out their search volume and competition. Use Keywords Everywhere as you browse the web to discover new keyword opportunities. Lastly, use TubeBuddy to refine your keyword list and to get suggestions for your video titles and tags. Remember, the goal here is to find keywords that are popular but not overly competitive. This gives your videos a better chance of ranking higher in the search results. Keyword tools are your best friend when it comes to discovering what your audience is searching for. So, get comfortable with these tools and make them a part of your regular content creation routine. It's time to let these keyword tools work their magic and catapult your videos to the top. Step 3 is all about understanding your competition. Let's dive in. When it comes to YouTube, competition is not necessarily a bad thing. In fact, your competitors can provide a wealth of information that can help you refine your own keyword strategy. Start by identifying who your competitors are. Look for channels that are creating similar content and targeting the same audience as you are. Notice the kind of language they use, the topics they cover, and their overall approach. Next, analyze their keywords. This is where the magic happens. Keywords are the bread and butter of any successful YouTube strategy. You can use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to uncover the keywords that your competitors are using. Look for common themes and trends. Are there certain keywords that keep popping up? These are probably the keywords that are driving the most traffic. After you've identified these high-traffic keywords, it's time to assess the performance of your competitors' videos. How many views do they get? What's their like-to-dislike ratio? How engaged is their audience in the comments section? This information is invaluable. It gives you a glimpse into what your audience likes and dislikes and what they respond to. But remember, it's not just about copying what your competitors are doing. The aim is to understand their strategy and then apply it in a way that's unique to you. You want to take what works and make it even better. The importance of competitive analysis in your keyword strategy cannot be overstated. By understanding what your competitors are doing, you can identify gaps in their strategy and find opportunities to outperform them. This can be as simple as using a keyword they've overlooked, or as complex as creating a video that provides a fresh perspective on a popular topic. You see, knowing your competition isn't just about keeping up. It's about staying one step ahead. It's about understanding the landscape and then carving out your own space within it. Knowing your competition is half the battle won. Now let's move on to how you can optimize your videos using these insights. Step 4, the final step, is optimizing your videos. Now that you've done your homework, defined your niche, researched keywords, and analyzed your competition, it's time to bring it all together. This is where the magic happens. Effective use of keywords is crucial in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. A well-crafted title with your target keyword can do wonders. It's not just about stuffing keywords, it's about creating a compelling title that piques curiosity and drives clicks. Next, the description. This is your chance to provide more context about your video. Incorporate your keywords naturally as if you're having a casual chat. Remember, YouTube's algorithm is smart. It understands relevance and context. Tags are your secret weapon. They help YouTube understand what your content is about. Include your main keyword and variations, but also consider related keywords that your audience might be searching for. Now let's talk about thumbnails. An engaging thumbnail can dramatically increase your click-through rate. It's like the cover of a book. Make it captivating, make it irresistible. And of course, the quality of your video is paramount. High-definition visuals, clear sound, and smooth editing can make your content stand out in the sea of videos. Remember, every element of your video, from title to thumbnail, from description to tags, everything should work in harmony to create a compelling viewing experience. Optimization is the key to unlocking the full potential of your keywords. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've journeyed through the power of YouTube and the critical role keyword research plays in getting your videos seen. We've explored the importance of defining your niche, using that to guide your keyword strategy. We've delved into the world of keyword tools, unearthing those hidden gems that can make your content stand out. We've looked at analyzing the competition, learning from their successes and failures. And we've talked about optimizing your videos, making every element from title to tags work for you. Now it's over to you. Armed with these YouTube keyword research hacks, you're ready to catapult your videos to the top. Remember, keyword research is your secret weapon in the YouTube battlefield. So start researching and watch your videos soar to the top. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks.